when she has no wipes to wash off her hands. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back again. Today we are doing a video about my highlighter collection because your girl has a problem. She has a problem, okay? I have a lot, and guess what? I don't even use them all. And that's what I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you what you should go out and get right freaking now. And, let's just get into it. Okay, so my first highlighter that I, am obsessed with, and you will see that because of how much I used it, is the Wet n Wild Megaglo Highlighting Powder in the color Pressed Petals, alright? Look at this. Have you ever hit pan on a highlighter? I'm just saying, that's how good it is. Maybe I should just give you a little swatchy poo. Look at this. Yeah, that's Wet n Wild. That's a freaking cheap highlighter. Just, go get it right now. This is worth it. The color Precious Petals, did I say Pressed Petals earlier? It's Precious Petals. Is really good for gals with a light complexion. That's me, okay? My next highlighter that I was obsessed with ever is the Laura Geller New York Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in the color Peach Glow. This highlighter is super pretty. I'll give you a little swatch. I've used it a lot, but haven't hit pan because I'm going to tell you it's not as good as the Wet n Wild. There is a swatch. What is she? There's a swatch with a little bit of, oh yeah. Just it's got that peachy undertone. Moving on, next I was really obsessed with these two highlighters for a really long time because they give you that what is the word? Iridescent. They give you that iridescent look. It is the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked highlighters, and I have peach lights and golden lights. So I'll just give you a little swatch of those. This one, oh, where should I? Yeah, that's peach lights, alright? And then, that's good. Look at that. It's that iridescent, pink shade. Oh, that is so pretty. And then this one is the Golden Lights. This one looks green in the pan. I don't know. This one looks green in the pan, but it's golden. And let me just show you that. Girl! Yeah, it kind of looks green on camera too. But anyway, those two are really good. And they were cheap. You can get them at Ulta, Makeup Revolution. I heard people hating on Makeup Revolution because it's it knocks off a lot of other expensive makeup, but it's cheap and it's good, so I don't see the problem. Okay. Next I have just some this is the Sephora palette, Illuminating palette from Sephora. It has 6 shades in it. And they're a little bit chalky. Here, I'll do some swatches. This is the first shade, no names. It's the, white shade. And it's good. It's a more subtle highlight. And here is the next one. It's golden. This palette is good. It's just not as good as my other ones. You just gotta dig in there to get a good payoff, which is fine, you know. It's a palette with 6 highlighters. If you want to get it. I'm not going to not recommend it, but I'm not going to be yeah, that's it. This is a highlighting palette that I got for Christmas from my dad. He's so cute. And it is by JLB Cosmetics. I'm not familiar with this brand, but it is the Golden Glow Complexion Highlighting Kit. And you get 8 shades in here, which is a lot. So let me just tell you something about these. This palette is very similar to the Sephora palette in the sense of how it feels, and how it wears, but it's a good palette. Like, if you can, she's horrible at swatching. Okay, if you can go out and find this palette, like, they have really good colors for deep skin tones, as well as some of my pale ladies. And see, okay, here's my thing. I would use like these four to highlight, but I could use these four for eyeshadow or eyeshadow toppers. So I recommend this palette. If you can find it, I'm gonna Google it and put the link in the description box, because like, look at these swatches. They're pretty nice, and I'm sure it was like not that expensive. I'll put that link in the description box. The next highlighters I will swatch for you are some that I use almost every day. It's the Kylie Jenner Wet Set. Now, I'm not sure if I've ever swatched these for you. This is the first shade, Sugar Coated. Oh, it's so light, you can't, there she is. There she is. This is the second shade, Frostbite. Oh, there he is. Third shade, Sweet Dream. That is so pretty. And then the last shade, Gingerbread. Okay, these highlighters are freaking amazing. I love them. Just like, this palette was like $65. $65 of well worth it, okay? My next highlighter is what I use every day pretty much, and if I don't use it alone, I'm layering it on top of another. The Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector in Champagne Pop. Let me just give you guys. Okay, like duh, you need to go get that right now. So I have so many highlighters, and if I was going to tell you to go out and get a highlighter right now, obviously the Wet n Wild, duh, like this is like $5. And then if you want like a high-end one, I would go with Becca Cosmetics and Champagne Pop, or the Kylie Jenner Wet Set. And then if you are looking for the iridescent look, the Makeup Revolution Baked Highlighters. That's just what I'm going to say. Yeah, I have a lot of highlighters. Yeah, I use them all pretty often. And it's just something I do. I'm wearing, what am I wearing today? Champagne Pop. Alone, not layered over anything. But that was today's video, short and sweet and to the point. I hope you liked it. I hope you go pick up some of these highlighters. I don't know when my next video is going to be. You don't know when my next video is going to be. So like this video, subscribe, click the bell notification icon, and we'll all know when my next video is going to be. And I hope to see you in the next one. And I love you guys. Bye.